Hello everyone, today I want to play Spider-Man 3 Part 10. Let's play. Still be easy because it's last part and it still be hard game. Ready, go. What are you doing now? Not just it. There was somebody else who had to just pass by again. That's so. Yeah, we are alone. Tell me yet, but the house is on my watching me to start me. Need to create input. You try again. He can like you. But I need to fight with him. One, two. I don't know why I still can fight with him. And my hope is decreased now. I'm going to try again. That should need heal by itself. This last one and hard one. I need to tactic him with it to fight with him. Now, he did energy so much. Need to allow with it. think can steal him. They got killed by me. When is to sound without sound what he will die. He can finish him, but he still have some coin. He down again. I will let you go this time, but we will meet again. I don't know what he means. I just can save my name MJ. Now I can finish this game. Thank you for watching everyone. Goodbye.